Google is a search engine on the mobile internet. It helps you to search for information on anything you are interested in, including jobs, places, recipes, movies, songs, news, and much more. Google is just one type of search engine. There are others that work in a similar way. You can find Google on a smart or feature phone. If you want to search for something, look for the Google icon and tap it. Underneath the name Google, you will see a search box. Type the name of something you want to search for. If you don't want to type, tap the microphone icon on the right of the search box. Speak the words loudly, clearly, and slowly. After typing or saying the word you are searching for, Google will give you a list of information options. Each option has blue, green, and black writing. Look through the list and see what interests you most. The blue writing is a heading, while the green writing is the website address telling you where it is found on the internet. The black writing is a short paragraph describing the information you might be looking for. If you click on the blue writing, it will take you to a website where you can see much more information. If you want to look at a different website, tap the back button and choose a different option. Google gives you different kinds of answers when you choose the different options under the search box. These are called tabs. The tabs include all, images, maps, videos, news, and others. For example, if you select all, Google will give you all available websites. If you select videos, Google will give you only video websites when you search. There's a lot of really good information on the internet, but also some that's not so good and some that's probably not true. So, you'll need to look at 2 or 3 results to get the best information about the person or thing you are looking for. If you are looking for information on Google, and you see or open something you think is bad or offensive, you can tap the back button, leave the page, delete the words in your search box, and type different words. If you use Google on your phone, you will need to buy internet data from your mobile network provider. Different Google activities will use different amounts of data. Just reading text uses the least amount of data. Looking at photographs and listening to music uses more, but watching videos will use the most. The mobile internet is bringing a world of information right to your phone. Why don't you try it today?